Hey, what is going on? It's Arville Craig, and we have been doing a vibe coding and vibe design series just for the month of June. Just want to give you a quick update. So, this was my original website I've had for a couple years, still based in WordPress. I thought it was okay, but I guess it's not. So, I've been trying to figure out how to vibe code. Again, I know in general we can just talk to AI, but I wanted to see different ways we could make a website. I didn't want to change the entire hosting. I want to keep it on WordPress. So the first thing I did was just use Claude Code to design a site. I gave it an example, and this here is the general design that I came up with. Again, based upon another website, kind of played around with it, came up with this here. Just talking to Claude Code and figuring out how do I work with it, update the files. The site is still hosted on WordPress. Then I was like, okay, let's make it a little bit nicer. Got some feedback. So then I made this version, which I got kind of excited about. It's not bad. It's got more personality. It's got more character. Let me make my face smaller. Hopefully the sound still works. Just made this tweak here. So I came up with this design here. And so yeah, so it's okay. It's getting better. Still got to figure it out. I wanted to, play around a little bit more. So this was my third version, which you should be able to see now at arvelcraig.com. Let me refresh the page. Came up with a couple different elements. A little bit of movement there. You scroll down, you see that there. Still got to work on the copy, but it's not bad. It is not bad. And then because I'm in the AI agent world and bot world, I created this little thingy here that follows the mouse. And whenever I click on it, boom, you've got some content here. Um, Engage with people. It's not bad. Who is RBL Craig? So this is what I have so far. And of course, you can just fill out an email. So this is where we are currently with the site design. Love to get your feedback. I'm going to keep messing with it. Over the next week or so to the end of the month, but I'm feeling pretty good about what's happening. I'm actually going to push the edge a little bit further, but it's been interesting. I guess the big key here for me was understanding the difference between using Claude Code, and then turn this off, using Claude Design to kind of get into this final experience and interface, and work with Claude Design to make it more getting more creative and interactive with how this platform works for giving it examples, but also how you edit and do things. So anyway, you got any questions on design and websites? I will keep working on this for the end of the month. Again, I'll have another update for you next week. But again, you can go to rvlcraig.com and kind of see how it works. And if you got any questions, just reach out to me. All right. Create a great day. Peace.